Deep in South America lies a world so vast, so alive, it has been called the lungs of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. This green paradise is bursting with life, from the tallest trees to the deepest rivers. It's seriously one of the most vibrant places on the planet. Covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon produces 20% of the world oxygen and holds 1/5 of all the planet fresh water. It is not just a forest. It is a lifeline for Earth's climate, biodiversity, and humanity itself. In this journey, we will explore the heart of the Amazon, uncovering the secrets that make it the most biodiverse ecosystem on Earth. In fact, the Amazon is home to 10% of all known species on Earth. That's more than any other ecosystem on the planet. What's more, scientists estimate that there are still many thousands of species waiting to be discovered in the Amazon rainforest. It is truly a place like no other on Earth. From jaguars in the shadows, to the vibrant macaws above pink river dolphins, to countless undiscovered insects, monkey, squirrel, and many more animals, each creature, no matter how big or small, plays an important role in keeping this ecosystem thriving. But the Amazon is not just a home for wildlife. For over 400 indigenous tribes, it is their heritage, their survival, their spirit. Watching them, we are reminded of the boundless energy and enthusiasm of youth. As the sun begins to set over the horizon, the rainforest comes alive with the sounds of the night. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for thousands of years, protecting knowledge that modern science is only beginning to understand. One of the most fascinating aspects of indigenous life in the Amazon is their intimate connection to the forest. They practice sustainable agriculture, hunting and fishing, ensuring that they take only what they need and leave enough for others. They are not just practical and efficient, but also beautiful works of art. Another important aspect of indigenous culture in the Amazon is the use of natural dyes to create textiles. These textiles are not just a means of adornment, but an integral part of their identity. Unfortunately, many of these traditional practices are under threat due to outside influences such as logging, mining, and agriculture. These activities not only damage the rainforest, but also threaten the way of life of the indigenous people. It is crucial that we respect their rights and protect their knowledge and culture for future generations. Sadly, the Amazon rainforest is facing a major threat that could have devastating consequences for the entire planet. Deforestation driven by illegal logging, mining, and land clearing for agriculture is causing widespread habitat loss and species extinction. One of the most alarming trends is the increase in forest fires. In recent years, the number of fires has skyrocketed, driven by a combination of factors including climate change and human activity. The fires not only destroy valuable forest ecosystems, but also release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon. Organizations are working tirelessly to protect the rainforest and its inhabitants. One of the most promising approaches is the creation of protected areas. By establishing reserves and national parks, governments can safeguard critical habitats and prevent further degradation. Another important strategy is the promotion of sustainable land use practices. This includes encouraging farmers to adopt agroforestry systems that integrate trees and crops, as well as promoting responsible cattle ranching and logging practices. It is also crucial to address the underlying causes of deforestation, such as poverty and inequality. By investing in education, healthcare, and economic opportunities in rural areas, governments can reduce the pressure on forest resources. Finally, raising public awareness is essential to drive change. By educating consumers about the importance of the Amazon and the impacts of their choices, we can create a demand for sustainable products and services. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is truly a remarkable ecosystem that plays a vital role in sustaining life on Earth, from its incredible biodiversity to its cultural significance. The Amazon is a treasure that must be protected for future generations. While the threats to the rainforest are real and serious, there is hope. By working together, we can ensure that the Amazon remains the beating heart of our planet for centuries to come.